Humanity has received a message, one that will change the course of our history forever. This single event will forever divide history into before and after, marking a turning point for our civilization. For centuries, we've gazed up at the stars and wondered, are we truly alone in the vastness of the cosmos? The question has haunted philosophers, scientists, and dreamers alike. Today, on August 30th, 2025, we may finally have our answer, an answer that could redefine what it means to be human. The James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye on the universe, has detected a clear, structured, and undeniably artificial signal, something that cannot be explained by any known natural phenomenon. This is not a random burst of cosmic noise but a focused transmission, intentionally aimed directly at Earth, as if someone, or something, wanted us to receive it. The implications are staggering, touching every aspect of our lives, from science and technology to philosophy, religion, and even our sense of identity. The signal originated from Proxima Centauri, our closest stellar neighbor, just over 4 light-years away, a distance both impossibly vast and tantalizingly close in cosmic terms. It carries a complex repeating pattern that defies any natural explanation, suggesting intelligence and purpose behind its creation. The world holds its breath, united in awe, curiosity, and uncertainty. People everywhere are glued to their screens waiting for answers. What does the message say? Who sent it? Is it a greeting, a warning, or something else entirely? And what will we do now that we know we are not alone? The emotional impact is profound, stirring hope, fear, and wonder in equal measure. Scientists are racing to decipher the signal, working around the clock, collaborating across borders and disciplines in an unprecedented global effort. Meanwhile, world leaders convene to formulate a response, aware that every decision could shape humanity's future for generations to come. The era of cosmic isolation is over. We are now part of a larger interstellar community, whether we are ready or not. A new chapter of interstellar engagement has begun, uniting humanity in a shared quest for understanding and connection. The universe is waiting for our reply. The next move is ours, and the eyes of the cosmos are upon us. Our quest to find life beyond Earth is as old as humanity itself. In the 20th century, technology finally caught up with our dreams. Radio astronomy opened the universe's soundtrack, and SETI began in earnest in 1960 with Frank Drake's Project Ozma. Though early searches found nothing, the movement grew, building massive instruments like Arecibo and scanning the skies for decades. The launch of space telescopes like Hubble and Kepler revealed that planets are common, and Earth-like worlds are everywhere. Kepler's discoveries transformed the search. It was no longer if, but which worlds might harbor life. The James Webb Space Telescope, launched in 2021, was designed to study exoplanet atmospheres for biosignatures. But Webb found something more direct, a message. Decades of searching, ridicule, and hope have led to this moment. The odds have shifted. The universe is not silent. We were listening, and now someone has spoken. The search has become a conversation. On August 28, 2025, the James Webb Space Telescope, humanity's most advanced eye in the cosmos, was focused on Proxima Centauri b. This exoplanet, orbiting the closest star to our solar system, has long been considered a prime candidate in the search for extraterrestrial life. Scientists had hoped to find subtle hints, perhaps faint chemical signatures in the planet's atmosphere, or indirect evidence of biological activity. But what happened next would change the course of history. Instead of the expected faint chemical traces, Webb's sensitive instruments picked up something entirely unexpected, a powerful, narrowband radio signal. This signal pulsed with unwavering mathematical regularity, standing out sharply from the cosmic background noise. It was as if someone, or something, was deliberately trying to get our attention. The pattern embedded in the signal was unmistakable, a sequence of prime numbers, a universal sign of intelligence. Prime numbers are not found in nature by chance, they are a mathematical language that any advanced civilization would recognize. Dr. Elena Petrova, the lead astronomer on the project, described the moment. At first, we thought it was a malfunction or interference, but the signal was real, clean, and pointed directly at us. It was unlike anything we'd ever seen. Within hours, observatories around the world were alerted. Teams from every continent scrambled to verify the findings, and soon, independent confirmation poured in. The detection was genuine. The signal's extraordinary strength and precision suggested a civilization far more advanced than our own, one capable of sending a message across interstellar distances with intent and clarity. For 48 tense hours, the discovery was kept under strict embargo. Scientists worked around the clock, triple-checking every detail, ruling out every possible source of error or deception. Finally, NASA and ESA stood before the world and announced, "We have received a signal from the stars. Its meaning is not yet clear, but it is a deliberate act of communication. This is a moment that will be remembered for generations." The raw data was immediately released to the global scientific community, inviting experts everywhere to join in the analysis. News of the discovery spread like wildfire, captivating the imagination of billions. The age of speculation is over. For the first time, we have direct evidence that we are not alone in the universe. The age of discovery has begun. Humanity stands at the threshold of a new era, united in wonder and curiosity. Humanity's greatest question has a new, astonishing answer. We are not alone. The cosmos has spoken, and now we must listen. The challenge before us is immense. Now, we must work together to understand what we've been told and what it means for our place in the universe. The Proxima Centauri signal is a cosmic puzzle, and the world's best minds are racing to solve it. Since its detection, the scientific community has been electrified, with teams working around the clock to decode its mysteries and implications. The foundational layer is a repeating sequence of prime numbers, a mathematical handshake. This is a universal language, chosen because prime numbers are recognized by any advanced intelligence, making it the perfect way to announce, "We are here, and we are intelligent." Beneath that, scientists have found a complex modulated data stream, possibly a language or set of instructions. The structure is unlike anything seen before, hinting at a sophisticated system of communication that could contain vast amounts of information. The signal is transmitted at 1.42 GHz, the waterhole frequency, long theorized as a logical channel for interstellar communication. This frequency is special because it's naturally quiet in the cosmos, making it ideal for sending messages across the stars. This choice suggests the senders understand both physics and our methods. It's as if they anticipated how we search for signals and tailored their message to maximize the chances of being noticed and understood. Cryptographers, linguists, and data analysts worldwide are collaborating to crack the code. International teams are sharing findings in real time, pooling expertise from every corner of the globe in an unprecedented scientific effort. The challenge is immense. We have no Rosetta Stone for alien languages. Every symbol, every pattern could be a clue or a red herring. The process is painstaking, requiring patience, creativity, and a willingness to rethink everything we know about communication. Is it an encyclopedia, a map, a warning, or an invitation? The possibilities are endless, and each theory opens new avenues of research and debate. Dr. David Chen of MIT urges patience. This is likely the most important translation task in human history. It could take years to fully understand. He reminds us that even the first steps in decoding could reshape our understanding of life in the universe. The first step was receiving the message. That alone was a historic achievement, confirming that we are not alone in the cosmos. The next, and much harder, is to listen and understand. Every day brings new data, new theories, and new hope that we are getting closer to unlocking the message's true meaning. The world waits, hopeful and anxious, for the next breakthrough. Humanity stands on the edge of discovery, united in curiosity and wonder, as we await the moment when the message from Proxima Centauri finally reveals its secrets. The confirmation of an extraterrestrial signal has shaken global politics and economics. Old rivalries have paused, the UN has called an emergency session, and a new interstellar contact group is forming to coordinate humanity's response. The question of who speaks for Earth is now urgent and real. Markets initially panicked, then surged, especially in aerospace, technology, and communications. Governments are pouring resources into space research and advanced technology. A new space race has begun, not to plant a flag, but to join a galactic conversation. Industries like AI, quantum computing, and propulsion are booming. The discovery is a catalyst for a new technological revolution. Our economic and political future is being rewritten in real time. Beyond politics and markets, the discovery is reshaping our collective psyche. For many, it's a source of wonder and hope, a sign that the universe is more magnificent than we imagined. For others, it brings anxiety and existential questions about humanity's place and future. Religious leaders and philosophers are re-examining long-held beliefs. Public interest in science and exploration has exploded. Universities and bookstores are overwhelmed. Art, music, and literature inspired by the discovery are flourishing. The signal acts as a mirror, forcing us to reflect on who we are and what we value. Our conflicts seem smaller, our shared humanity more important. This is a catalyst for global self-reflection and perhaps transformation. In this moment of uncertainty, experts are guiding the way. Dr. Avi Loeb of Harvard calls this the opening of an entirely new field of science. He urges rigorous, transparent research and cautions against premature speculation. Our first duty is to the data. Science must lead the way. NASA's Dr. Catherine Calvin highlights the technological leap. Webb was built to answer big questions, but this is the biggest of all. The discovery proves our tools are powerful enough to find these signals and inspires the next generation of telescopes. Collaboration is key. Radio astronomers, data scientists, linguists, and anthropologists are joining forces worldwide. No single nation can tackle this alone. This message belongs to all of humanity. The journey ahead will be long, but we must take the first steps together. The world's brightest minds are united by a common purpose. The search for meaning has just begun. Decoding the message is now humanity's greatest challenge. Project Rosetta, led by the Interstellar Contact Group, brings together global experts and supercomputers. The process is transparent, with regular public updates to keep misinformation at bay. Simultaneously, leaders debate how and whether to reply. The Medii debate is now the world's most urgent diplomatic question. Plans for new telescopes and propulsion systems are being fast-tracked. The signal has given us a unifying purpose and a new vision for exploration. The journey to understand and respond has begun. August 30th, 2025, will be remembered as the day the world changed forever. The detection of an intelligent signal from Proxima Centauri is a fundamental shift in human existence. We are no longer alone. The universe is not silent. This knowledge reframes our past, redefines our present, and opens a new future. It challenges us to see Earth as a single, fragile island of life. The discovery could be the catalyst for global unity and progress. The work ahead will be difficult, but the opportunity is unprecedented. We have been invited to join a cosmic conversation. This is not the end, but the beginning of humanity's greatest adventure. Today, for the first time, we know something is looking back.